HAUSA man don't ask MaziNnamdiKanu for forgiveness. Also thank him for opening their eyes. My people, no be smart, they say that you can kill the messenger, but you can't kill the message. Now waiting they happen here right now. I don't want to talk too much. I go play you the video. Also play you the video of interview of Nneka Chimezie with MaziNnamdikanu's wife. May you listen and tell me your own opinion for inside comment section. As it be like this now, you don't read.
The voice of wisdom has said it, but we ignored. When MaziNnamdiKanu was telling us about Fulanization agenda, we all laughed. We say, what he is saying or his submission is divisive in nature. His submission is detrimental to the peace and unity of Nigeria. But today what is happening? His prophecy has come to pass. Fulanization agenda is advancing day by day.
Let's talk about
that one aside. Let's talk about the visit of His Excellency's wife to Kano State yesterday. She visited Kano and she was warmly welcomed by the Kano State governor. And with the Kano State governor was a little girl wearing Fulani attires and holding calabash. What was that trying to put into Her Excellency's mind? They were trying to tell her that Kano State belongs to the Fulani people. The Fulani people that you know. The ones that you know that don't have even one local government in Nigeria, talk less of having the whole state.
We know they are not Nigerians.
But look at what the governor is trying to portray, that Kano State belongs to the Fulani people. So thank God that Her Excellency is a learned person. And I know that she must have read about the history of Kano. And she ignore all what they told you about the history of Kano. I know that they must have taken you to the Emir's palace where you saw only 15 kings of Kano, only 15 emirs of Kano. How can an Asian city like Kano have only 15 kings? They have erased the history of Hausa kings that we have almost 50 kings or 40-something kings before the coming of Fulanis. So this is Fulanization agenda. And we told you that Fulanization agenda is two forms. There is Fulanization agenda using bandits, that they will go and expel all the people living in the land and take over the land. And there is Fulanization agenda using politics, the ones that politicians and emirs are using now. Like the one that they show you when you visited Kano, where you saw that small girl wearing Fulani attires, to show you that it is Fulani land. That is what they are doing. So please ignore all this history that they told you.
You can only buy the messenger, but you cannot buy the message. Now waiting they happen. Everything MaziNnamdiKanu talk in Nigeria has already happened. So today, let's listen to what the wife of MaziNnamdiKanu said in this video before we come back and continue.
Okay, the hatred.
I think so, because Bashir didn't do anything wrong, and then maybe he can't be controlled. I think Bashir won a million as well.
Exactly, he can't be controlled.
So when you work with sincerity of purpose, I don't think anybody can push you around, because aim at your purpose and you know what is right. So somebody not actually deviates again from you stay your course, and I think that's what the problem is, because I don't see any issue anywhere or any problem.
Okay, can you hear what the relationship between Barrister Joffo and IPOB?
I think from the wings, and Barrister Joffo by himself would go and free people from incarceration.
That's IPOB members.
Yes.
Wow.
And he was doing that before he even came into IPOB, because one of the things he told my dad. So my dad didn't meet here. Yes, my dad, and he's been released from.
Wow.
Yes,
wow.
Yes.
Without celebrating it. Silently. Oh my goodness.
You know, so Chineke, master, my dad, master, that's the person we need. Person with good heart.
Really, it will go already.
At all costs. So when it comes to do with lawyers and everything, IPOB is everything comes from IPOB.
Wow.
Okay. So that is that's how.
Okay, now the relationship again quoted after Potazi, did it get better? Did his brothers effort so if I knew Joffo? When we gonna say trying here, eventually when he had the good is to Oh, thank God, I'm not going to talk about Did there, was there a time how did I show that kind of remorse and then acceptance?
Things actually got worse. In fact, not an ability, man, even a stranger. So I have to say this because see, I'm watching Kitty sometimes. You know, they can debate. I'm name me. When Oyent was released and I went home, so there was this thing I don't know that I will now with DOS, now I got poison them. Now we poison them. Nam ge Edian Dambehu MaziNnamdiKanu. So I never packaged my mother-in-law. So every time they stationed.
Do I want you to
So every time they stationed in the kitchen, and I know my papa. So it was one boy, but one needing you go stand rice outside. No, yeah, I was. So that I was working with DOS, and so even though that the DOS then that time Mazia no problem with them, but that problem also stemmed from Vice coming in.
But it's a job for?
Yes.
Okay.
So they supported Vice to take over the case because Obeta was not delivering. Okay.
Wow.
That was what happened.
Wow.
So, and that was where the name Delilah came from. So I'm one with Delilah may save Samson. So
because now, Hamakwana as his wife, not just his wife, naturally me. Emma, Nali, won't you wine? Why gamble and when that fear of but I'm why the very high that give to him. I mean, they should know that this a family is being formed. So even at that, I treat it as an outsider. Now, was it born out of love for MaziNnamdiKanu or hatred? Because I'm seeing jealousy here. Because if you ask me, I got me when let's say I'm feeling when I get defend one name, I quit him. Eventually, what a lawyer also, I didn't know one but one name of Potter. Now, when the man of Potter, they defend their gallantly one. This lawyer may are free of charge, and yet Daniel so mobile too. One expect that all know out of love. Can I make a capoton I feel the competent. Now you question him embrace on Yanka what I now, all know out of love.
Absolutely. That is what he would do because he got that now only interest on your heart, so none of our bumble, bow from up to now. No. That didn't happen. In fact, ihun madananya ihunanya iwe ebe onye ahụ nọ ga-abara nwunye ya bara ụmụ ya.
Exactly.
Iwe nsogbu onye ahụ hụrụ gị n'anya ga na-achọ ịma otu o shidere ezinụlọ gị. So MaziNnamdiKanu nwunye ya dị ime isi ụta kpasị agwa mee ya ihe niile a anyị ya mere ma ba na-eche echiche sị mmadụ hụ gị n'anya ọ ga na-eme ihe ụmụ gị ọ ga na-eme kishọ na ha dị oke ka m kpọbatata ihe a bit ndanda enwe nwa amadi a na-akpọ Simon Ekpa which you did very good job because first time I saw your video ebe na na-ekwu that na wipe you bi na-egbu ndị mmadụ na bank no Simon Ekpa na voice aha na-egiri ihe ahụ ege m ihe na radio one man gị na-emere nka nwere video. So m gaa na radio few times kwuo na onye ada arụrụ MaziNnamdiKanu ị ga-egbu ndị bụ unu ị chọrọ inweta nnwere onwe nke unu abụ ndị Igbo i werete ndị Igbo na-egbu sị nna mba nọ wo MaziNnamdiKanu ka ị na-arụ ọrụ ị ga-esepụ aka from here and you're not a part you won't member of IPOB because na m gara na radio a few times school fees a na-akwụrụ m na Bikem that comes from nne ya anya okay and upkeep was stopped.
Wow.
By Kingsley. So man ajụ
by calendar.
So m na-ajụ ihu Nnamdi n'anya ihe nke ị ga-eme nwa
Ọ nọkwara nga.
Ọ nọ na nga.
Wow.
Okay. So I don't think that there is love here. That's all I can say.
Now,
my people, una don see am as e take dey happen. I want you to drop your own opinion in comment section and also share this video so that other people will also know wetin dey go on as e start right now. Our work na to dey bring the update. Your own na to dey also share the video and drop your own opinion because The people are watching. The people are seeing it. Thanks for sharing.